नंबर 1 ऑप्शन बी 6 इसका सही जवाब था। सवाल नंबर 2 सेट ऑफ इंटीग्रेंट इन द सबस्टेट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर, ऑप्शन डी इसका सही जवाब था। सवाल नंबर 3 केमिकल चेंजेस आर दोज चेंजेस इन विच न्यू सब्सटेंसेस फाउंड, ऑप्शन सी इसका सही जवाब था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 था कि हीट ऑफ रिएक्शन, ऑप्शन सी इसका सही जवाब था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लाइट ट्रेवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 the north pole of the magnet is always coated red, option C is correct answer. Question number 7 the National Assembly and all the Provisional Assembly are elected for 5 years, option B 5 year correct answer. The type of nucleotide present in a DNA molecule are option B 4. Question number 9 brass is an alloy of zinc and copper, option B is correct answer. Question number 10 atmosphere is made of 4 layers, option B is correct answer. Recreational purpose of water include all of the above, option D is correct answer. Question number 12 25% of 150 is 37.5, option A is correct answer. Question number 13 the coefficient of x power is, option B 1 is correct answer. Question 14 frequent is adjective, option B is correct answer. Question number 15 present perfect tense you have made beautiful painting, option B is correct answer. Question 16 when they learn e-learning I turn the learning of replace the alarm by pronoun, option A. Question 17 he is smart boy, option B correct answer, they are smart boy. Question 18 class is collective noun, option C is correct answer. Question 19 हज़रत आयशा की वालिदा का नाम ज़ैनब, ऑप्शन C correct answer. Question number 20 1 or 2 is form of say tubular form, option B tubular. Question 21 number of neutron in aluminum is 14, option B is correct answer. Question 22 creeping animal are included in the reptile, option B is correct answer. Question 23 the synthesis of food take place in the leaf, option B is correct answer. Question 24 the birds are singing the song, correct the sentences, the birds are singing the song, option B is correct answer. Question 25 choose the compound words rainbow, option C is correct answer.